When it comes to diesel engine gaskets, you need parts that are reliable, durable, and built to last. At Bear the Sealer, we deliver just that and more. Our gaskets power 4 key industries: mining, marine, pickup trucks, and heavy-duty trucks. We specialize in a wide range of high-performance gaskets, including oil pan gaskets, valve cover gaskets, fuel pump gaskets, injector seals, turbo gaskets, EGR gaskets, and oil cooler gaskets, engineered to withstand extreme conditions and maximize efficiency. Quality is our foundation. In an aftermarket filled with varying standards, we set the bar high, ensuring our gaskets match or exceed OE standards. Our team is industry-trained, detail-oriented, and ready to help. We ensure reliable support and excellent after-sales customer service. We carefully select only the best suppliers, those that meet or exceed OE manufacturing standards. Because when you choose Bear the Sealer, you choose reliability, performance, and trust. We're not just saying it, our customers trust us too. Professionals across industries choose Bear the Sealer for quality, reliability, and performance. Our commitment to quality has earned us the trust of customers worldwide. Join them and experience the Bear the Sealer difference. So why choose Bear the Sealer? Because your engine deserves the best, and we're here to deliver.